Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing great and awesome in another lovely video. In this video, I will walk you through quickly why some Arab speakers struggle with adjectives in English. It is simply because adjectives in Arabic come after the noun. So when we speak the language, we tend to add the adjectives after the noun. And that is why it is difficult for them to start making adjectives before the noun. As an example here, a book interesting and long. It's just we add interesting and long. كتاب مسلي وطويل. So we add the adjectives after the noun. And that is why most Arab learners who start navigating English have difficulty with this particular form, and they struggle a little bit with how to form adjectives in English. And one way we can work around that is by training them on adjectives as many as possible, by giving them as many adjectives as possible, and that comes by, of course, doing a little bit of practice here and there in order to overcome this difficulty with adjectives. Some common adjectives that we do have in English are, for example, adorable, adventurous, annoyed, anxious, appetizing, arrogant. So we say arrogant man. And there are different ways of presenting adjectives to students. First, you either independently present adjectives to them or simply have them practice adjectives and combining adjectives with nouns. But there are multiple ways we can do that, and I'll just give you a few examples here to help you understand and process how you start importing adjectives and using them in your daily communication.